Hello and welcome to qtbinterviewquestions.blogspot.in. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare for the software testing interview. Here, I have mentioned all the software testing interview questions for the freshers as well as professionals with up to 2 or 3 years of experience. In this video, I'm going to provide all the questions that were asked in different companies like HCL, IBM, TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, etc. So let us start with the important software testing interview questions here. Now, first one is what is fault masking. Now, fault masking means the presence of one defect that will hide the presence of another defect in the system. So this is called as fault masking. Then what is exploratory testing? Exploratory testing is type of experience-based testing, where the knowledge of the tester testing the system is utilized to find out the defects in the system. Then how do we prepare the test plan? The IEEE 829 specifies what attributes are there in the test plan. So it will contain total the scope of the testing, number of features to be tested, then duration, cost, etc. So IEEE 829 of that standard, you need to look at it to check how the test plan is created. Then what are the different stakeholders in testing process? Every testing project has below stakeholders like developers, testers, end users, system owners, project managers, QAs and development managers, etc. And what is configuration management with respect to software testing? Configuration management is used to manage the changes done to the test artifacts. Every test artifact is stored in the configuration management software like SVM. What are the different software testing metrics? Testing metrics are used to measure the how much testing we have done and when to stop the testing. So for example, code coverage cyclomatic complexity, these are some of the software testing metrics. How do we test create the test estimations? And what is orthogonal testing? Orthogonal testing is used to test the application with only few test inputs values from the given set of inputs. And what is error? Error is human action that produces incorrect result. What is defect or the bug? Flaw in the system that can cause the system to fail to perform its required operation. Exhaustive testing. What is exhaustive testing? Exhaustive testing means we try to test the software with all possible input values and preconditions. What are the different software testing principles? Software testing principles testing shows there are defects, but it doesn't prove that there is no. This means that even after we test the software, we can have defects still present in the system. Exhaustive testing is not possible. So you can go through all these software testing principles here. Then COTS stands for commercial off-the-shelf software. Different software testing models. You should be very clear with the incremental development models, that is RAD, RUP, and Agile, so fee models. What are the software testing levels? Software testing levels could be unit testing, component integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Software testing methods. The list of the there are two types of software testing methods, that is static and dynamic. In static testing, we do not execute the software, we just review the codes, we do the inspections, walk through the code, etc. But in dynamic testing, we actually execute the program to see how the software behaves. Now here is the list of the 5 box testing methods like statement coverage, decision coverage, and condition coverage. Below is the list of black box testing methods: equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table, state transition diagrams, and use case testing. Then as I said, IEEE 829 standard specifications provides the details of the test design, test cases, test plan, test log, incident report, defect report, and test summary report. For each one, they have given some standard attributes that must be included in the given templates. For example, if you want to create the test plan, it should have test plan identifier, then introduction, test items, features to test, features not to test, approach, items, pass, fail criteria, suspension, resumption criteria, test deliverables, etc. And what is a probe effect? Effect on the system when it is being measured is called as probe effect. What are the different tools that can be used in the testing process? Now there are different tools that can be used, like functional testing tools, QDB, Selenium, then this for performance testing tools like load runner and JMeter's, etc. Explain different software testing metrics: defect density, cyclomatic complexity, code coverage, statement coverage, etc. Now code coverage is number of coverage items exercised or total number of coverage items into 100. Code coverage finds out which parts of the code has been executed by the test suite. Statement coverage, a number of statements exercised divided by total number of statements. Similarly, decision coverage is the number of decision outcomes exercised divided by total number of decision outcomes into 100. Cyclomatic complexity is the number of branches or if conditions in the code plus 1. This is called as cyclomatic complexity. Then you should also understand the process of defect logging and how the defect life cycle goes. So you should know the test condition, test cases, and test oracle. Now test oracle is a source to determine the expected results to compare with the actual results. So all these questions you should be very you should know to crack any testing interview. So all these questions were asked in multinational companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, etc. If you like this video, you can just thumbs up. Thank you.